Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I have a unboxing for you, and from the title you already know what brand this is. I purchased this bag off of W Concept and this will be a true unboxing. I'm very, very excited. I've only ever seen this bag on social media, so I am very, very curious to see what it looks like in real life. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so the first thing we have is just my packing list. This just says the name of the bag, so I did get a Marge Sherwood bag, as you can tell from the title. Yeah, this is just some general information. And the box is empty. I did purchase this on W Concept using a 20% off coupon, which I think brought my total down to just less than $400. And my gosh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Okay, here is the dust bag. Oh, looks like there's something left in here. Let's see what that is. And this is, I think these are the care instructions. So here it is branded on the front. It just lists right there the guarantee as well as the care instructions on the back. Oh my gosh, I just saw the color and I'm really, really excited. Okay, here we go. To reveal the Marge Sherwood Boston bag, and this is in their crinkle camel leather. I was so on the fence about which color to get, but I have to say I think I love this color so much. So originally I was drawn to their dark brown suede version, and they also just had really yummy like dark brown bags, but I have my Bottega Veneta Hobo in the dark brown already, and I have my La Mer croissant bag in dark chocolate brown, and so I kind of felt like I didn't need another dark brown bag. This color reminds me of like, you know those like really nice aged leather couches? I know that's like such a weird comparison to make, but there's something about this color and this crinkled leather that just really spoke to me. And this is a very similar style to the Miu Miu Bow bag, which is originally a bag that I thought I really wanted. And then when I saw it in person in Copenhagen, I was so disappointed that it was not comfortable on my shoulder. And for a bag of the size, I really wanted it to be comfortable. So I did extensive research on the dimensions of this bag ahead of time, and I know it's definitely going to fit over my shoulders. It is much more comfortable than the Bow bag. I feel like the Bow bag came up just closer to my armpit a little bit, and it was just not super comfortable. Let me take a quick look just to make sure I like everything so far. But yeah, I think this is such a cute bag. I love the minimal branding. I loved the aged leather look to it. And it does have the branding right here, but not on the back. And give me 1 second, I'm going to undo the plastic on the handles. Another detail I love is this tab that kind of keeps the strap together, and if you snap it in place, it just keeps the strap together, which is so nice. And it does have silver hardware, as you can see right here. And ooh, the zippers are nice and smooth. Okay, love that. I already know this bag is not going to fit my laptop, which is a little bit sad, but that's okay. And here is the interior. It does have Marge Sherwood printed kind of all across this black material that's on the inside of the bag. And it does say Marge Sherwood made in Korea right here. And it does have a zippered pocket, nothing in the pocket. And on the other side, there is a flat pocket right here. And it's pretty generous. And I like the fact that it has a flat base because I feel like you can fit a lot more. And yeah, here it is. Oh my gosh, it fits very comfortably over the shoulder. And I'm obsessed with this color. It just really reminds me of the color of a really nice leather chair or leather couch. I'll have to test it out in real life, obviously, once I have more things in it and all that. So let me know if you're interested in, you know, first impressions after I've used it for a couple months. The look of this aged leather just really appeals to me. and I can't wait to put some charms on it. So yeah, super, super excited about this. Definitely did some retail therapy just because work has been stressing me out and I needed a distraction. I actually did see another Marge Sherwood bag, and I think it's called the Out Pocket Hobo Mini, and the color I really want is in the red color, but W Concept doesn't carry that, and a lot of the other sites that I saw don't carry that. There's one site that does carry it, but it's like a $40 shipping fee, and I just want to see it in person first because the color of that, it's like such a beautiful candy red, but then one of the model photos, it made it look a little more orangey, especially when you're shopping internationally and I don't know like what their return policy is. Like I just don't want to really take a chance on that color. But I also saw that Marge Sherwood is doing a pop-up in New York right now, and I do go to New York a couple times a year, but I'm not planning on going during the pop-up. So I'm gonna have my friend go and check it out, and she can send me photos and tell me what she thinks of it. And then I also have a family member who is going to Korea, I think sometime this summer. And I know obviously that buying it in Korea is going to be a little bit cheaper. So depending on how that goes, like I might have my family member get the bag for me, but we'll see. So that one is kind of TBD. We'll see what happens later this summer if I end up getting that bag or not. But for now, I get to try out this bag, and I have to say, so far, just from my very first unboxing reveal, eyes on it, feeling it, touching it, I do think it's pretty good quality. The stitching is good. There's no flaws that I can tell. Obviously, this wrinkled look might not be for everyone, but they do have other styles of leather. Like they have a suede version, and I'm pretty sure they have a version that has like the non-crinkled look to it. So that might be something that you're interested in. But I really love the kind of just like very simple vibes of this bag. And mostly I just love the fact that it fits over my shoulder super, super comfortably, because the bow bag was such a disappointment when I tried it on. And also the bow bag is like crazy expensive. It's like $4,000. And I also just didn't feel like it was worth that much, to be honest. I love Miu Miu leather, and I think their leather is so fabulous. I was not willing to pay that much. And the fact that the bow bag goes up to here and wasn't super comfortable on my shoulder was kind of a deal breaker for me. So I'm so happy to have this one and have saved a lot more money, because this is so much more affordable than the Miu Miu version. And yeah, just really excited to have this as like a great little everyday bag. So the exact name and color of this bag, it's the Marge Sherwood Soft Boston Soft Pull-Up Crinkle Shoulder Bag in the color Camel. So I know they do have other colors and other styles of leather available, so definitely check them out on W Concept, or I know Essence carries this brand. I think Louisa Via Roma might carry this brand as well. You might have to dig around a little bit, so definitely check out some of the other retailers to see what you can find. So yeah, that is it for this video. Super quick unboxing and reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. And if you would also subscribe to my channel, that would really mean the world to me. And with that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.